Hello, welcome back to our channel. Let us make some rice banana bread. Yes, you heard me right. Let me show you how the magic happens. Okay, all you need is soak your rice for some few hours. After it's softened, you drain the water out, then dehydrate or dry it in airy place. Once it's dried, we'll mill it into powder. While at it, hit the subscribe button so you can get a recipe free of charge. Encourage us to do more by inviting others too. You're welcome. So our rice is finally milled into powder. Here is how it looks like. You can see that at this moment it's completely powdery. So we are ready to make our rice banana bread. You can start by mixing the liquid ingredients first, then we'll go ahead to mix the dry ingredient later. So we have 4 banana, or you can use 2 if you wish, or 3. We're using 4 banana. Mash it until it's smooth, then you can add your butter. It's better you melt it so you can easily absorb into the ingredients. Add your vanilla essence, that's about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Your egg, one at a time, so you can mix thoroughly. You can add the other egg now. Egg is also a rising agent and it makes your cake fluffy. When you're done mixing, you can add your sweetener. This is date powder we're using in place of sugar because we intend to make this a healthy bread. Whisk it thoroughly and add your milk. We're using tiger nut milk as well. We're not using animal milk, we're using plant milk. So you can use the milk of your choice. If you're lactose intolerant, it's preferable you use plant-based milk. It's easily absorbed into your body system. Then you have your 2 cups of rice flour already sieved. You add your baking powder and baking soda, mix it thoroughly. After which you can add into your already liquid ingredients. At this point, it's better you use a flat turner to mix it gently until you get your smooth batter consistency. Then you can turn it to your baking pan. You can either use a baking pan that is greased on the inside, or just line it with baking sheets so that it can easily be lifted out when it's done. Okay, it's ready to go into the oven, and in few minutes your banana bread will be ready. You can top it anything you want, fruits, dried fruits, nuts. So your banana bread is ready in few minutes. Doesn't it look delicious? You can step down with a cup of chilled tiger nut mixed milk. Let us know in the comment section if you need more of these recipes. You are welcome.